number one advantage of blockchain technology is that it transforms the internet into a transaction platform, a socio-economic transaction platform. And why is that important? Because it allows for stakeholders to, first of all, own assets and data within the fabric of the internet, and then also to transact ownership of assets and data over the internet and directly between the stakeholders. Infrachain pushes the adoption of blockchain by bridging two aspects with which the implementation of blockchain is confronted for the moment. On the one hand, you have the distributed nature of a blockchain implementation, and on the other hand, you have a legislation and a regulation that is not necessarily aligned with that distributed nature. So what Infrachain is doing is bringing together the stakeholders, the blockchain stakeholders here in Luxembourg, private and public sector-wise, and create a context for community-driven governance that allows for these two aspects to be reconciled and have a blockchain implementation, put in place blockchain implementations that combine both elements. The reason why with the Blockchain Academy we are a member of Infrachain is that, first of all, we want to be part of this adventure of putting Luxembourg on the global map blockchain-wise. It's also a must in terms of participation in the coordination process. Blockchain is not only about technology, but very much also about coordination between stakeholders. So Infrachain brings together the stakeholders, and that is the reason why it's important for each actor within the sector to be part of that process. It's also the only way to be at the cutting edge of what is happening in the blockchain sphere here in Luxembourg and also beyond, because Infrachain is not only concentrated on what happens in Luxembourg, but reaches out to European partners in order to adopt also blockchain and put in place the coordination process also beyond Luxembourg.